What could be more Christmassy than ham? How about a root beer ham? First we need is to do the root beer glaze. That's 1 cup of root beer at room temperature, half a cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of ketchup, and a teaspoon of good old Dijon mustard. And then you just want to mix this around till everything is incorporated. Did I say a teaspoon? I meant a tablespoon. And salt and pepper. Mix this around and put it in a pot and place it on the stove. Okay, and once on the stove, you want to bring this to the boil and then reduce the heat to medium. And basically you want to cook, simmer, uncovered, till the mix is reduced by half. It'll take roughly about 15-20 minutes. Okie dokie. As you can see, I got my ham in my baking dish. Now all you want to do is brush the glaze over the ham. You know, get a good coating, and then you just want to keep reapplying the glaze about once every 15-20 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, let's see what it's like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, and after, I think this was in for like an hour, maybe hour and a half, till you get this wonderful, golden caramel color. Then literally the only thing left to do is cover it with tin foil and let it rest for about 5 minutes. You really don't have to worry too much. Ham doesn't have that much fat in it. But just cover it with tin foil and let it rest. And then just slice it up to serve it. And that's it. Your Christmas ham with a root beer glaze. Done.